My daughter just started school recently, so every morning, like every parent should do, I have to prepare her a lunchbox. This is my go-to recipe when I'm in a hurry in the morning. I want to show you that you can make a decent scrumptious meal in limited time. First thing first, get yourself some eggs. I'm using 2 eggs per slice of bread. Just crack them open to a bowl, add salt to taste, and a little bit of milk or water to soften the egg. Mix everything and set it aside. So speaking of eggs, the price of egg where I live increased almost 40%, which is insane. I'm so bummed about it because I always stock eggs at home, but the price is killing me. You don't have to cut your bread like I do here, but you see, my pan is small and it doesn't fit 2 pieces of bread inside. Heat up the pan using low heat, then add about half a tablespoon of butter. Let's wait until the butter melts before pouring in the egg. It's time to add the bread. I'm dipping my bread in the egg mixture so I could taste the egg in each and every bite. Flip the sandwich and let the egg cook, then fold in the excess egg on the edges. I use sliced cheddar cheese and quick melt cheddar cheese since that's the only cheese happened to be in my kitchen. You could add Swiss cheese, mozzarella, or any cheese you like. Fold the sandwich after you put the cheese. Now we wait until the bread turns to a nice brown color while melting the cheese inside. When it's done, take it out and it's ready to eat. Here I'm making another one for myself with extra cheese. You can put as much or as little as you want. You can also add in other toppings like tomatoes, sliced ham, bacon, or mayo and hot sauce. You might notice that I use cheddar a lot. It is because it's the only widely available cheese in Indonesia. You can find it everywhere. But cheese such as mozzarella, parmesan, or Gouda is really expensive and you have to know where to buy it. Listen to that crispy bread sound. The crispiness and the cheese makes kids crazy for it. I love the melted cheese in the middle, especially when it's oozing out. If you're a lazy cook like me, definitely try this. There's not much prep to this meal and it's so good. It really helps me in the morning, so I hope it can help you too in your tight schedule.